Without wasting even a single second, I'm going to reveal the secret of how YouTubers such as those behind 10x Income, Digital Income Project, Profit Multiplier, and many other faceless channel creators create their animated talking avatars. These characters create curiosity and engagement in videos, resulting in increased audience retention and a higher number of subscribers for the channel. It's true that these faceless channels are going viral not only on YouTube, but also on other social media platforms. Now, get ready to create your own talking anime character with just a single click. Believe me, you don't need any advanced level of animation skills for this. I will only discuss free AI tools here, as many of my viewers may not be able to pay for software like Procreate or others. It only requires 3 easy steps to create this. The first step is to get the anime character. To create these avatars, head over to ideogram.ai. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. Click on the plus icon, and in the prompt box that appears, paste the exact prompt provided in the video description. You can make slight changes in the prompt to give it a unique look. Then, choose the 3D render, illustration, anime, and dark fantasy styles, and select the ratio as 16:9. Click on the Generate button, and after a few seconds it will provide you with 4 mind-blowing images. You can select any one of them. For instance, I am choosing this one. But before you download it, keep in mind to keep your avatar's face about 1/3 of your overall image. Otherwise, your talking animation will not work, as the software will not detect any face now. You can download the image. The second step is to add talking animation to it. Now you probably have noticed that these avatars wear face masks. It's not because they have any disease or the room smells slightly fusty, because it's a heck of a lot easier to animate a character with a mask rather than syncing lips to every word. Let's add talking animation to it. For that, there are 2 websites. The first one is Hagen.com, and the second one is Artflow.ai. You can choose either one of these as you like, but I will choose Artflow here. So, let's quickly jump to the Artflow website. You need to create an account and then click on the video studio, create a new video, and upload your avatar image. Artflow will detect the face of your avatar automatically. Now type the words you want the avatar to speak, preview your voice, and if it satisfies you, click on the Export and Animate button. Within seconds, your avatar will be downloaded. If you closely look at it, you'll see an ugly watermark. Don't worry. If you have subscribed to this channel, here comes the third step. Visit the website 123apps.com, and without any login or sign-up process, scroll down and click on the Remove logo from Video tool. Upload your video, select the watermarked area, click the Save button, and then, after a few seconds, click on the Save Video button. Boom! Your animated talking avatar is now ready to take B-roll clips of your video.